New COVID cases and hospitalizations are rising across the metro.
Over the last month, the daily average of new cases has more than doubled, and hospitals are starting to fill up again.
So here are the latest numbers from the Mid-America Regional Council. The number of hospitalizations hit a low point on June 8th when the 7-day average was just 39. Since then, it's been rising, and tonight it's up to 77.
Most of the people in the hospital are unvaccinated, but not all of them. KCTV5's Betsy Webster talked to someone who got sick after getting the shot. Betsy, what are his thoughts on the vaccine at this point?
Well, he's still an advocate for the vaccine because he thinks that he would have been in worse shape without it. As for the numbers, well, Missouri and Kansas state agencies don't track how many vaccinated people are represented in their case numbers. But here at the University of Kansas Health System, they do.
I was a little frustrated. I thought with the vaccine, this shouldn't have happened.
Colin Stoner got his second shot in late March, so when he got sick in June, he didn't suspect COVID. Then he got a fever of 102.
I got tested, and it was positive, and then from there it was a really rapid descent.
But pretty quickly, his frustration turned to relief. He's convinced he was only laid up at home for 10 days because of the vaccine.
I mean, the vaccine is there to make sure that you don't die and to keep you out of the hospital.
Here's Casey's health director's take.
If you would have normally died if you didn't get vaccinated, you get vaccinated and you're hospitalized. If you normally would have just been hospitalized and you've been vaccinated, then you're ill home for a few days.
At KU Hospital today, 6 of the 37 people hospitalized with active infections had been vaccinated. That's 16%. But all of them have other health problems.
That those people that are vaccinated do have significant comorbidities. They have obesity, hematologic malignancy or cancer, other immunosuppression, heart disease, lung disease.
The vast majority of those here, because of COVID, have not been vaccinated. And the patient numbers are rising rapidly. They had 37 patients with active infections today. Only yesterday, it was 29. And just 6 weeks ago, the number was 2.
You know, I'm a little concerned about where we're headed.
Which is why Colin Stoner hopes more people get the vaccine, even though he still got the virus.
You know, the vaccine's free, and it's really something that I feel is a civic duty.
A civic duty, he says, because it's to protect others, like those people you heard about with comorbidities, whose immune systems aren't working as well, who ended up here in the hospital in bad shape despite being vaccinated. Live, Betsy Webster, KCTV5 News.
Betsy, thank you.